You know what time it is. I know what time it is. It's time for a sexy shirtless David game. Look at him, look at the muscularity, the raw manliness, the muscles. Truly the peak of this game was reached so early with the shirtless David. They try to release Felix and be like, hey, here's another good look. It's all about David. David is the dude. The one. The chosen one. Ace was thinking of bringing a key. I saw a key pop up in your hand there for half a second there, buddy boy. All console teammates. I don't get to talk with them. I could say things like, yo, what up? They can't see a word I'm saying. My message will forever go unanswered. A truly tragic tale. Would be cool if they added some way for people on PlayStation to communicate with people on PC, but can't have everything, I guess. Can't have everything. Successfully escaping the killer during a chase will award survivors with blood points. A valuable tip. We should try to do that. We should try to escape the killer and earn blood points. I forgot to put We're Gonna Live Forever back on. Speaking of blood points, I need blood points. I haven't unlocked the teachables even on the 2 new killers, 2 new survivors. So I'm like a couple of DLCs behind. So I need all the blood points I can get. Which means every killer game, barbecue, every survivor game, We're Gonna Live Forever. But I forgot the We're Gonna Live Forever part of that equation. Oops. I have Ace in the Hole on, I think, though, so we can get ourselves a cool item. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. I didn't run Plunderers, though. Just Ace in the Hole. So we'll see how this goes. For the Rift, I need to repair generators. 4. So try to sit on gens a lot too, which isn't usually the most exciting content or exciting games, but we deal with what BHVR gives us. Everyone's got a gen jockey sometime. Once enough generators have been repaired, survivor's goal to activate when the 2 switch gates. Switch gate will through. You know that? If you repair the generators, we can escape. It's another pro tip. I feel like after a while they should just stop showing you tips and just show you memes or something. Macmillan. I actually like all the Macmillan maps, although I haven't played them since the rework, but hello, friend. Alright. That's a Billy. Alright, if he's gonna rotate that way, I'm gonna go this way. Essentially the way he came, because he'll probably go there last. Those saws... Oh, Jesus Christ. We're gonna get behind this generator so he can't see us with barbecue. And hope that he doesn't instantly down somebody else. I'll have to rely on one of the other 2 for the save. That was a quick unhook. I'm expecting to hear that saw going any second now. No, not yet. Meg's no longer being chased. I wonder if he's just going to tunnel the Ace. Well, I do have Deliverance, so I really need to get myself an unhook. I feel like this is one of those games where I'm going to need the Deliverance in the end game. Yep, tunneling the Ace. At least Ace did a little better this time. Hopefully, Bill is working on a gen. Since I doubt the Meg is. Alright, we're actually going to go in the building quick. trying to kill himself on hook. I have a feeling Ace is being camped. Yeah, he is. We don't care. We're gonna go for him anyway. Let's go, Ace. I made him swing and miss 3 times. That's about as much as I can do. Unfortunately, everybody ran over there to try and help. And then nobody did. So we just wasted a bunch of time. We could have been working on generators. Good news is I have Deliverance, which again is something I felt like I was going to end up needing. We're going to sneak down in the basement here. We are going to loot this chest and hope that we get a key, because that's so sad. Okay. We're just going to work on this gen. He never broke any of these doors, so we're not too worried about him just dropping it on us. So I've got that window behind me. He's chasing the Meg. He's not very good, which is why he had to camp like that. Fingers crossed that Meg can just keep him busy for 3 gens. Hopefully Bill is doing work. I legit thought he was going to overheat a saw right there. He held that so long. Try not to take him in here. Good boy, Bill. Alright, I should definitely be able to finish this gen too. And then we'll be down to 1 more. And then Camping Billy is going to get... Oh, Jesus. Freaking Tinkerer. Holy crap, that just scared the bejesus out of me. Freaking Tinkerer. Alright. I saw Entity Blocker on that window. I don't know if he has Bamboozle, or if that was from one of my friends jumping it too many times. Right, hopefully Bill found himself a different gen and we're splitting pressure on 2 separate gens. Because if he's got Tinkerer, he's going to know where to go, and we're getting ready to pop him. So we definitely need to work on 2 gens at the same time. Shit. This could be good or bad. Basement's right there, so if he hooks her in the basement, that's really bad. But he might just camper, in which case Bill and I get out for free. I can't imagine he's going to ignore a Tinkerer proc this close to the hook, though. So I feel like he's gonna have. He's definitely gonna run out here. Yeah, there he is. You can't curve that. You're not good enough. Look at Bill faking him out like he's going for the unhook. And Meg is dead. I'm not giving this Billy free kills here. 100%. Not gonna happen. Bill goes down there and Bill gets although I do have Deliverance DS. I could make a play here if I open the door. And it's risky as heck. But I could do it. I think I'm going to. I'm going to 99 this and go get Meg. Why run the Deliverance DS if you're not going to use the Deliverance DS? Pick him up. Pick him up. Beautiful. All right. Go, Bill, go. You're going the exact opposite way I need you to go, Bill. All right. All right, the save of the century is underway. Pretty sure I have the exit gate. Yeah, exit gate's prepped right over there. All right, we just got to make sure you can't get us in the basement, which you can't. All right, now we just wait for him to walk a little bit away. Yeah, you think so? You really think so? All right, we want him behind us. To go that way, ideally. Perfect. Okay, we just gotta get the gate open. Alright, I'm gonna let him think he has it. Okay, alright, let him think it, let him think it. Pick me up, pick me up. That was toxic. Alright. I'm not making any excuses for that. That was toxic, but it was funny. Totally worth it. Totally worth it. He deserved it. He can't pour ace right out of the game. It was totally justified in my book. So, yeah, I'm sure he was like ranked nothing, right? He ranked 20, ranked 20 console. Oh my god, my teammates. Yeah, I'm not, you know, proud of beating up on a rank 20. Trust me, but it was funny. Till next time, guys. I hope you enjoyed the game, even if it was a little campy, a little boring. The spice of the end made it a little fun, I think. Catch you later.